Sam Wole Momoh. I'm a native of Nigeria. I'm a chef here in Dubai. I've been a chef in Dubai for 8 years. I started off as a student in a school called SCAFA. It's called School of Culinary and Finishing Arts. I finished with honors in my diploma, and I decided to further my journey by joining a restaurant called The Act at Shangri-La. And this was like a pathway for me to my success. So I picked up a whole lot of cuisine there, but South American cuisine was a thing for me. So I decided to go a bit in depth with the South American cuisine. So today I'm at the Nestlé Professional Engagement Center. I'm showcasing my one of my favorite dishes, which is lomo saltado, and I'll be using the Nestlé product. I'm using one of the Maggi beef stock, and I'm also using the mashed potato, the Maggi mashed potato. It's very unique, and it's easy to make the mashed potato. It brings a different flair, and it's it's magic. Once you know how to do it, it's just very simple.